Jamaica, in Poland, smoking in Africa, in New Zealand, smoking every civilization, smoking marijuana, them are all over nation, smoking in Jamaica, them are in Poland, smoking in Africa.
What's up, guys? Daniel's taking a piss right now because when he done that fart in the last video, he almost pissed his pants. So I'm gonna play for the next. Well, I'm gonna play for the next 10 minutes, but for now I'm playing by myself. So, what have we to do in here? I actually have no idea.
Oh, I'm back after taking a big huge dump.
You actually took a shit? Or did you just take a piss?
I took a shit, bro.
Nice.
I went for a quickie.
That escalated quickly.
Yep. What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know what we have to do. I'll check my journal.
Check the journal. Like Mr. Gomez, remember? In school. No, these are just notes. Okay, progress to the story. Just press M. Nothing is available. We progressed.
God damn it!
To a whole new level. Anyways, go through that.
Through what?
I'm in there. Go there. Go through that. Oh, no. Oh, water. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. It's the way is blocked, I think. Just go, just go. It won't follow you. It won't follow you. Oh, the water is too deep.
To travel safely. Oh, fuck you guys. La, 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 la. So to figure out how to get up there, I think.
Yeah.
And get that open.
Yeah, pretty much. What else is there to do? Oh, there's a... Is that the way we came from?
We came from over there.
We came from over there, didn't we?
So...
Yeah. I'll look around.
Take a look around.
Look around,
oh,
bro.
there's stairs.
There's a stair. And...
Yeah.
No, we won't be able to go. What the fuck was that?
The vessel is needed to carry the oil. Oh, okay.
use the
oh, the glass.
The glass.
Go back, you son of a bitch.
That was awkward.
That was very awkward.
Looks like shit.
Massive monster diarrhea.
Yeah, pick it up.
Is it full?
Yeah, it's full already, dude.
Woohoo!
I think you need to grease that shit.
Grease that shit.
Grease it.
Where do you grease it?
It's the lever.
Is it the lever? Lever.
The lever.
The lever.
The lever.
So the gears, we need to find the gears.
It's gears. Its gears needs to be greased. Just, I don't know. Just use it. Just use it on.
I tried.
See what happens.
Oh, okay.
It didn't happen. It didn't happen. Yeah, it didn't grease.
La 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 la.
See?
Fuck you, Daniel. What did I even do?
I don't know. I just greased it.
What the fuck?
Oh, that shit is filling up.
For Christ's sake. Broken pipe, blah, blah,
Try to pull it.
Damaged by the impact. I think I need to throw something.
Throw what?
Look at me, I'm a boss. Yeah!
Oh, that escalated quickly.
That escalated quickly.
Okay, and do it again.
No, go down, you son of a bitch. Get out of the damn way.
Yeah, see, it's bent.
Yeah, physics.
I actually love the physics in this game.
Yeah!
That's fucking... See?
Why the fuck am I climbing now?
You... Click on it?
Ah, okay. Oh shit.
What are you doing?
I press space by mistake.
Well, don't press it anymore.
I didn't fucking mean to press it. Christ.
God damn it, dude.
Don't piss on me.
Have a look around first before you.
I'm just gonna see what this
Don't.
is. Okay,
Don't.
it's a control room.
Just have a look around. What did that do?
I don't know.
Have a look around. Oh, and I think there's a door over there. Before you do that, your health. Yeah, it's
Few
good.
cuts and bruises. Hi.
Um,
Today would be nice.
but before we go there, yeah, I think we need to go to the control room first.
Yeah, I'm just gonna... Sister. Okay.
Cistern. Okay. Cistern. Sounds like your sister or something.
Sister. I banged your sister. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. She came on to me. Your sister came on to me.
Whoa.
Oh, wonderful.
Herbert, how did we find this place?
Don't
An old
move.
friend back in Algiers gave me a map. Why isn't he here?
Fucking move.
Didn't he want to come? He wanted to, Daniel, but things don't always turn out the way
Yeah,
we
Daniel,
planned.
things don't always turn out.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, man. Hi, chair.
Pick it up in case, you know. don't throw it. Use it as a self-defense.
Come here, chair.
You know, if you do see the monster, yeah, try to, like, I don't know, throw the chair.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Fuck off. This is a
Oh, more
big
puzzles.
castle.
More puzzles.
Yippee! Why do I keep getting these machine things? What is this?
I don't know. Don't pull them yet. Just have a look around first. Explore. What the fuck was that sound?
The wind, my friend. Look at that.
I thought it was my stomach.
To enter the sewer, it must be first drained. Oh, okay.
That looks wrong. Just keep on going up and down, up and down.
You can tell you haven't had sex in a while. Christ. It's the last time you got laid, man.
I think our viewers don't need to know that.
I suppose.
It's inappropriate stuff, bro.
Dirty physics. Whee!
It's like it's on a boner and then it's like, you know. No? No?
I'm in concentration mode. Give me a second.
Okay, that does look like a bunch of dildos that you're handling.
I'm so confused.
Me too. There's a table there. Maybe a note will explain something. A wooden crank. And a hammer.
That's what I think you're goddamn dildos. Douche. Anything else in here?
Look around, dude. Look around, explore.
Take a look around. I've looked around the whole room, so it's something to do with this frickin' thing. So I'm gonna take a
Suck
wild
the
guess.
water
I
or
think.
something.
Down? Down?
Dude, I think you solved it. You actually solved it. Dude,
I don't know what I've done.
but you actually solved it.
Or did I?
Yeah. I think the penis monster is...
No, because it make it kind of a flash thing if I solve it.
I know, but just leave it like that, leave it like that.
Alright,
Leave it,
so
leave it.
it's
Just
down.
leave
Oh
it.
no, let's see.
It's stuck in position. And
Stuck in
that one's
position.
just, so that means that it's
Stuck.
okay.
It means that it's stuck.
It's stuck in.
What
Light
is
up the
this
candle.
place?
I think this is supposed to be like a chapel or something. The fuck is that? On
Box.
the... Let's see. Light up the candle. And move the fucking blocks, dude.
Fuck out here.
Look at the wall.
It is a pipe.
It is a pipe and the pressure is
Fucking up. Fuck your pressure.
something. I don't know.
Right, Daniel, your turn.
What? Oh, the time.
Yeah, the
right.
time. Right, so I'll leave this sexy puzzle over to my sexy friend, my sexy amigo, for a check. See you guys next episode.
See ya.